Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your iPhone WhatsApp messages on over to your Android phone, and this is very easy to do. So what you want to do on your iPhone is go from Community to Chats right here and select this. So once you have Chat selected, we can go to the top right now, and we want to go to this option right here and go to where it says Linked Devices. Under Linked Devices, we can link our iPhone to our Android phone. So you can see I already have an Android phone connected in here, and we can use multiple phones for one account. So now what we want to do is go to our other phone, go to I agree, and make sure we're logged out and we just downloaded it for the first time. It'll bring us to this page where we can see the phone numbers. We want to go up to the top right, go to the little dots, and go to Link as Companion Device. Then go to your main phone here and go to Link a Device. Scan your fingerprint if you got that. Then just go over it with your phone. And then you're going to notice the iPhone is now on here, iOS. So if you're doing it from iPhone to Android, your Android phone will be listed on there. So if you ever want to get rid of that in the future, just tap it and then go to log out. So everything is going to be on your main phone. And then you're going to be able to get your iPhone messages over to Android using this. So it's very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up.